That was some nice air. What is up, guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I'm excited today because this is my unveiling of my second Talion. And I put this awesome custom painted body on here. I had gotten it for my S-Work Zeus. It's actually an S-Work Zeus body. So I cleaned this sucker up, put all new fluids in it, put new hubs on there, put a new steering rack on there, put in new bearings. So it's ready to go. I'm pretty sure I put a 16 tooth in. I'm just gonna run it on 4S today, mostly because I don't want to destroy this body right away. So yeah, we'll give it a little run on 4S. Amazes me how these cars scream on 4S. And look, this is the exact reason why I don't run these T-bone bumpers. One time where it pushed down, look what it did. No, I gotta stop and put that screw back down. Alright, so in the interest of saving time, not pulling this whole thing apart today, what I did is I put a longer screw here so it'll have more engagement up into the diff case. See if that holds on a little bit better. Flies so nice. That's the one thing with these new ramps. You hit them right, these trucks really fly well. Wow. Sweet. That was some nice air. Ooh, sideways. It really gets out there. I love it. This is like a whole new world for me, guys. Oh! Wow. Love it. Loving my second Talion. New ramps are great, Badlands are great. She can do all that with it. This Savox servo, my goodness. What a great servo. Really got this car handling well. LVC, what a great first run with the second Talion. Very, very happy. I do need a new fan. That fan there's a short in that fan, it keeps coming unplugged. But other than that, man, it performed fantastic. Till next time, guys.